Something in your walk looks different. Something deep inside got me wondering why. I don't understand why I can't put my finger on what the fuck is off, what's missing me.
I did put powder underneath this wig, and then I put a little powder in the part, and then I cut the baby hairs to the length that I desired, and I gelled it down. This is what the lace is looking like. So this looks pretty good. And then I flipped the hair over, because you know I'm taking this wig straight off and going to bed. The curls, I only finger curled the front because I was cutting the baby hairs and removing the long pieces out. So I will turn the camera around eventually and give you guys, you know, a longer view. But this is how the front view is looking. So yeah, I didn't really finger comb. I didn't finger comb this part, but you'll see once, you know, I turn the camera around. So yeah, this is how it looks. Y'all getting into that? Okay, so let's get into the deets, and then I'll show you the length of the wig, and then I'll also tell you if I like this wig or if I do not. So the cap size on this unit can fit all head types. It does have straps so you can adjust it. I have it adjusted very tight, and I also glued it down so that my wig can feel secure. I believe with this wig you would want to glue it down so that it won't slide back. And I'm not wearing a wig cap because I have the most natural effect with doing the wig cap. Otherwise it might not look as natural with these water lace units. The texture on this is more on the silky side. I have watched reviews. I noticed that the units that came like in color, theirs are a bit shiny. This is not shiny to me. It has like a natural luster to it. So yeah, I think the color ones are a bit shiny. The length, I'm gonna get to that. The style, as you can see, the curl, the pattern, very cute. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys how long it is and whatnot, and then let you guys know if I like it or not. So, 1 second. So this is it. I have a camera down so you guys can see. This is how long it is. This is how long it is in the back. Yeah, nice. I hope you guys like my makeup. I have a tutorial on this beauty, and this is crazy. I'm going straight to bed after this, so I gotta wipe all this off. So let me flip this around so I can make the screen, you know, expand, because otherwise this is gonna look small. So let's flip it. Okay, so let's get into the final part of this review. So I do like this review. This reminds me of the GLS 27. It's very long and it's very curly, just like the GLS 27, which is Friday Night Hair. It reminds me of a great dupe like that. The only thing that's better with this unit is that you have all that free parting. So it's like such a, I really like this unit. The lace, can y'all see that? That looks so good. I like how I did this flip over. And let me show y'all guys. I don't want to mess up these curls, But I want to show you guys, you know, let me do this to where I don't mess it up. Y'all catch the drift. It's just like the other water lace wigs, but yeah, I'm gonna wear it just like this. This is so pretty. So I got this off of goldbeauty.com. I will post, I don't have a link for them, but I do have other links that I will be posting. So yeah, this is cute. Gorgeous. So if you guys are also interested on my makeup tutorial for this look, I'll have that in the description box. And yeah, I think that's about it. I think somebody asked me with these units, can you put it in a low ponytail? You can, just don't put it up high. It's just like any normal wig that you get. You can put it in a low ponytail. It just you just won't be able to put it up high. Otherwise, you know, you'll see I don't know if you'll be able to tell if it's a wig, but you know how us wig wearers would know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is very cute. Cute. Is this layered? It seems like, yeah, it seems like it's layered. But I'm not sure if it's because, you know, I flipped it over. But yeah, this is very cute, y'all. So this is all that I have. Otherwise, I'm going to start rambling because, you know, I got my thought across. I really do like this unit. And I definitely will be wearing this soon. Nice, nice. So thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys.